Folks, that's the Kozja Stena hut. Hristo Hvoynev in Bulgarian, which means Hija means hut, and Kozja Stena means the ram wall. So check this beautiful pathway. We continue along this path and the foggy peak. Then over there we continue and go to that peak over there. We pass by under it, and behind it is Echo Hut. We have about 2.5 hours more. We just see one sign nearby stating that there are about 2.5 hours walking to Echo Hut. So check back the next video and please subscribe to our channel if you like watching videos from the Bulgarian mountains. Thank you for your support, folks, and enjoy the view. Nice.